Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular problem, what we need to do is we simply need to write a function which reverses a string, right? So to do that, we can simply do s and then slicing operator and -1. So this should basically start from the reverse and then just traverse -1 along the string. So this should work just fine. Right. Let me just run the code. It works just fine, right? So let's see other people's solution as well, what they have done. So mostly should be something similar, yeah. The for loop is not necessary, right? Of course. So what is this guy doing for I in S and then S1 is basically I plus S1. Okay. Mm, Not required. In my opinion, this is all this thing is not required, right? So this thing is elegant solution. So yeah, that's it for this video. Take care. Bye bye.